A dreamy morning in Tuscany. Kylie's Get Ready With Me reimagined. Imagine a morning routine so picturesque, it makes you want to book a flight to Italy immediately. That's exactly what Kylie Jenner has managed to capture. The 27-year-old beauty mogul unveiled a stunning Get Ready With Me GRWM video from the heart of Tuscany, showcasing how the perfect blend of makeup and breathtaking villas can turn a simple morning into a luxurious experience. Why this changes everything. Kylie starts her dreamy day dressed casually in a leopard print cami, sipping a creamy cappuccino with her hair cascading effortlessly around her shoulders. This serene scene sets the stage for an inspiring tutorial that blends the essence of Italian summer living with the art of beauty, capturing the essence. As Kylie meanders through a beautiful garden adorned with blooming pink hydrangeas, she effortlessly blends the tranquil surroundings with her makeup routine. This isn't just a beauty tutorial, it's a glimpse into a luxurious lifestyle that's both aspirational and relatable. The way her surroundings accentuate the serene ambiance makes this video feel like a top-tier travel experience. The magic of makeup. Once inside the elegant villa, Kylie demonstrates her signature makeup application techniques. She starts by highlighting how essential it is to maintain hydration, followed by an expert application of her own products. From the perfect foundation to contouring, concealing, and accentuating features, she carefully blends in every layer to achieve a flawless, railing finish. The impact. Viewers' reactions were overwhelmingly positive, lauding everything from her glowing complexion to the enchanting settings of the video. Some fans even playfully suggested Kylie stay in Europe a while longer, while others appreciated her natural beauty, with and without makeup. Why it matters. This Tuscany GRWM video is more than just a makeup tutorial. It's a lifestyle experience that elevates beauty content to new heights. By adding a touch of elegance from the heart of Italy, Jer has redefined how beauty and travel can blend together seamlessly. This approach breathes new life into her social media, giving fans a peek at a glamorous getaway that's practically within anyone's reach. Your thoughts? Do you think combining stunning locations with beauty routines is the future of social media content? Or do you prefer the simplicity of traditional tutorials? Let us know in the comments.